New Lego Hero Factory. The worst villains have escaped prison to destroy all heroes. Now you can be the hero and catch the villains. Jawblade attacks. Slash. Furno strikes back. The battle is fierce. Now hurry. You can continue the battle today and fight like a hero in the awesome new online game at HeroFactory.com. It's free. New Lego Hero Factory. Each set sold separately. Ask your parents' permission before going online.
Jollibee 新登場韓式甜辣雞，香脆嫩滑嘅樂趣雞，限時加添韓式風味，特製濃郁醬汁，感受甜辣交融，連環衝擊味蕾，啖啖過癮，幸福感滿滿，限定韓風 Jollibee 韓式甜辣雞。
請市民留意以下由香港警務處發出的緊急廣播：晚上7時26分，尖沙咀海港城一帶的聖誕裝飾及聖誕樹發生猛烈火災，火勢迅速蔓延至海濱及商場多個位置，消防人員已即時到場進行大規模疏散及灌救。現時確認3人罹難，17人受傷，超過240人已成功獲救並安全撤離，搜救工作仍在部分區域進行中。初步調查顯示，事件相信屬意外。一條中國神話中的巨龍從一個神秘行李箱中突然出現，其高溫引發附近裝飾物起火。該行李箱屬於先氏家族成員，外貌為身穿深藍及象牙白繡金紋傳統服飾，當時神情震驚。雖然未發現任何犯罪意圖，警方依法可帶走相關人士協助調查，暫時扣留，檢取行李箱作證物，並為其安排保護性看管。所有尖沙咀居民及外國遊客請即遠離海港城及海濱一帶，留在安全室內，關閉門窗。如接觸濃煙請佩戴口罩，只依照官方指示疏散，切勿接近封鎖區域，並密切留意最新公告。附近學校及設施已暫時關閉。警方特別部隊及軍方已出動協助圍封現場及保障公眾安全，集中控制該生物並防止事態擴大。由於情況仍在變化，政府正持續統籌多個部門進行救援、滅火、醫療支援及秩序維持工作。市民請勿散播未經證實的消息，只應依賴官方資訊，並在安全情況下協助有需要人士。儘管發生罕見事故，本港應急系統仍運作正常並受控。祝大家聖誕快樂！請保持冷靜並注意安全。
Please pay attention to the following message from the Hong Kong police. At 7:26 p.m., terrible flames have been reported consuming the Christmas decorations and trees across Harbour City in Xian. The fire spread rapidly through the waterfront promenade and shopping complex, intensified by decorative lighting and seasonal installations. Emergency services arrived within minutes and initiated a large-scale evacuation, while firefighters battled multiple ignition points. At this time, 3 fatalities have been confirmed. 17 citizens and visitors are injured, and more than 240 people have been safely rescued and survived the flames. Search and rescue operations are still ongoing in several affected sections. Preliminary investigation indicates the incident is believed to be an accident, triggered when a Chinese mythical dragon mysteriously emerged from a magical suitcase on site, causing extreme heat and ignition of nearby decorations. The suitcase is linked to the Xian family, described as a small group of visitors wearing traditional, flowing dark blue and ivory robes with gold embroidery, appearing shocked and distressed at the scene. Although no criminal intent is suspected, the police are legally empowered to escort the family for formal statements, temporarily detain them for investigative purposes, seize the suitcase as evidence, and arrange protective custody for their own safety due to public risk and media attention. All residents and visitors in Xian, including foreign tourists, are advised to avoid the Harbour City and waterfront areas, stay indoors, close windows, Wear masks if exposed to smoke. Follow official evacuation routes only. Do not approach emergency zones. And remain alert to further announcements. Schools and nearby facilities are temporarily closed. Police special units and the military have been dispatched to assist in containment and public safety operations, focusing on isolating and neutralizing the creature while ensuring civilian protection. As the situation remains fluid, the government continues to coordinate multi-departmental efforts for rescue, fire suppression, medical support, and public order. Citizens are urged not to spread rumors, rely only on official channels, and assist vulnerable persons if safe to do so. Despite this extraordinary incident, the city's emergency response remains fully operational and under control. Have a wonderful Christmas. Stay calm and safe.
这是香港警务处发出的最新紧急通告。晚上8时17分，海港城内焚烧圣诞装饰及巨型圣诞树的火势已受控制。该中国神话巨龙已被制服，并送回属于先氏家族的魔法公事包内。行动中采用了高压灭火泡沫、电磁拘束网，以及由合资格法师释放的道教封印符咒。现场已确认没有再出现异常活动。事后处理方面，海港城部分区域及附近道路仍需暂时封闭，以进行结构检查、清理残骸及空气质素监测。市民请避免进入封锁区，留意高空坠物，如发现余迹及时通报，如吸入浓烟请求医，并严格遵从警方指示。区内公共交通服务将分阶段恢复。经全面调查后，事件真相已经查明。火灾确属因先氏家族公事包封印受损而引发的意外魔法泄漏。巨龙并非蓄意放出，亦不存在任何犯罪动机。警方确定不会提出检控，但相关神秘物品的运输及管控安全指引将全面加强。在秩序恢复及风险受控的情况下，政府感谢所有紧急人员、义工、市民及旅客在这次罕见事故中的冷静配合。观音娘娘感谢大家的成功合作，祝各位圣诞快乐，新年进步。现恢复正常节目。
This is an emergency update from the Hong Kong police. At 8:17 p.m., the fires that burned the Christmas decorations and giant Christmas trees in Harbour City have been contained. The Chinese dragon has been subdued and is sent back to the magical briefcase owned by the Xian family. The creature was subdued through a joint operation using high-pressure fire suppression foam, electromagnetic restraint nets, and a traditional Daoist sealing talisman deployed by certified specialists, allowing firefighters and tactical units to safely secure the scene. No further supernatural activity has been detected at this time. In the aftermath, several sections of Harbour City and nearby roads remain temporarily closed for structural inspection, debris removal, and air quality monitoring. Citizens are advised to avoid restricted zones, watch for falling debris, report any remaining hotspots, seek medical attention for smoke inhalation, and comply with all police instructions. Public transport services in the area are being restored gradually. The full investigation has now resolved the truth of the incident. The blaze was confirmed to be an unintentional magical breach caused by a damaged seal on the Xian family's briefcase, which released the dragon without any criminal intent. All evidence supports that this was an accident. No charges will be laid, though safety protocols for the transport and containment of such artifacts will be significantly tightened. With order restored and risks now under control, the government thanks all emergency personnel, volunteers, residents, and visitors for their calm cooperation during this extraordinary incident. Kun Yum, the goddess of mercy in Hong Kong, thanks you for your successful cooperation. Have a wonderful Christmas and a Happy New Year. We now return to our normal programming.
你最愛嘅披薩點知扭扭批返嚟啦！加埋魷魚酥 so cheesy， 一於想點就點。